Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In the additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, March the 16th, 17th, 2024. It's today, actually Sunday, and I've already solved two puzzles. Well, this one I've made a mistake. The numbering here, this should be the 6 and this should be a 7 then. Well. Yeah, wrong numbering. Yesterday I've made a mistake in the last puzzle, so I need to switch those numbers. Okay, we have two puzzles left. The binary, aka tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. And this one you are interested, the binary puzzle. Yes, binary puzzle number 8208. Yeah. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. 16 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, and this is number 4. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes no. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Without comparing. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of this afternoon. In the evening, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. So see you in a minute. Until then, bye bye for now.